Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Meta AI is draining your battery too much, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first thing first, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store, search for Meta AI. If you see update, select update and update your app. In case you see open, that means your application is already updated. What you have to do is long tap onto your Meta AI, select the eye icon and clear some cache. You'll get landed onto a settings page, go for storage and clear the cache. Now, if you remember the credentials of your Meta AI, I also recommend you to clear the data, read all these, and select delete. Now, lastly, come back onto App Info page, select Force Stop. It will temporarily pause your application. Select OK, restart your device, go ahead, launch your application, and get logged into your account, and this will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you might want to uninstall Meta AI first, reinstall it from your Play Store and then try again and it will definitely work.